Friends, today I wanted to talk about one specific fund which I thought that can be a good value addition in an investor's portfolio. Yes, I am talking about the Aditya Birla Conglomerate Fund. What is this fund? This fund does not come into any of the equity category of large cap, mid cap, of flexi cap, multi cap like that. But it is basically covering 22 sectors. And the entire group has a total market capitalization of 129 lakh crore, which is spread across some 41 investable investment universe. And it also forms 33% of the market cap of BSE. So who are all these conglomerates? Something like the Tata Group, the Reliance Group, the Murugappa Group based out of South India. And if you look at the TVS Group, and if you look at some other groups like bigger corporates which are into business for many years, it could be Mahindra, it could be Godrej, and who are into multiple industries, who has got multiple cash flow, and who also have multi-generational businesses. Fund. And I see something very unique in this fund, because these corporates have a very good rating, and because of that, their cost of getting debt is also very low. So when the companies are expanding their capacity due to the production-linked incentives announced by the government, and with animal spirit kicking up in India as our economy is transitioning faster, I see this fund can do much better. And these proven corporates which are having a good cash flow, which has got good corporate governance, and which is also the important drivers for higher capex utilization. These companies usually increase their capacity than a standalone company in one business unit. That you can look at this fund. And also I wanted to tell you something. All the asset heavy industries, something like industrials, infra, capital goods, are all being funded by all this group conglomerates. Because Tata, if you look at, there are more than 30 of their businesses being listed. Similarly with Reliance and other groups. And one more interesting thing is that they also invest in the sunrise sectors. So sunrise sectors, something like the green energy, something like semiconductors, something like electric vehicles. All these new businesses, the sunrise sectors, have been heavily this big corporates used to invest in. So once the higher growth happens, the underlying companies will also get benefited. And they also invest in holding companies, because in holding companies, some of them will invest in standalone companies, and they provide their management support also to them, which also helps the holding companies to increase their profitability. So that is an indirect income which is also happening. And with this wide range of options available to the investors, and these funds being an industry first. If you look at the benchmark, it is something like the BSE Select Business Group, which has got some 7 to 8 major, but this is an active managed fund where it will invest in 20 such bigger groups, and also it will not have more than 25% exposure to one business group. And I strongly feel that there is a good amount of value creation can be generated in this fund. And I want you to consider this allocation if you have a 5-year and above investment horizon, because this can be a tactical allocation in your portfolio, even though I will not substantiate it with a core portfolio, but this can be a good tactical allocation which can always create wealth in your portfolio. And do get in touch to plan this investment. Thank you.